it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
What's up, YouTube? It's Miesha LeVay, and I am back with another video. Today I'm gonna be revamping this wig and dyeing it using the watercolor method. If you are new here, hey boo, welcome to my reality. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? I'm spraying the lace with freeze spray to protect the color from staining it. This was my first time trying these. Comment down below, let me know if y'all think it worked. So I wanted this wig revamp to be simple to achieve, easy to do, but have maximum effect. So I decided to add some color, and watercoloring made this 10 times faster. I'm adding lavender hair dye to some really hot water. You can even see the smoke. And I ended up using the whole bottle, and this is why. I fully submerged my wig into the water, making sure that every piece is getting saturated and coated with color. I use my comb to help with detangling while dipping the wig in and out. You can even see the water becoming clearer. And then this. Cause like, what is it? It was at this moment that I knew. So yeah, obviously an epic fail. But luckily I had some more hair dye in my cabinet. As you can see, the purple is there, but then again it's not. So it ain't giving. I really didn't know what to expect with the purple and the sapphire blue mixing, because this blue is more like a darker royal blue, and then that purple, so I'm like, I don't know what it's gonna give, but it's gonna give something. And I'm actually glad I did, because it's kind of looking a little like something.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
So I was satisfied with this color at this point. So I then proceeded to wash the wig out with some dish detergent. I also made sure that I rinsed it out really good and applied some conditioner.
Too caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget.
Once the wig was dry, the color most definitely didn't look anything like I imagined it would, but it was fine. Okay, y'all see it. It's the revamp for me, and I absolutely love this color. It's everything. But now it's time to install and style this wig. I'm moving my hair out the way and pinning everything up so that I can start off by laying this wig down. And I'm not using a ball cap because it is not needed. And I'm very minimalistic when it comes to laying my wigs down. I do not use a lot of glue. I go really thin on the glue and just outline my hairline with the first layer and then stretch and lay my wig down. Not too much, normal basic install, so y'all can watch, look, and enjoy.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, disagree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move.
I'm about to start styling the wig, and I did choose a side part with a swoop. Originally, I was trying to go for like a feather bang, but as you can see, my bangs was like real skimpy, so I didn't think it was gonna work.
Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite.
I really didn't know how I wanted to style this, y'all. I was winging it as I go. And I was thinking about a bob here. I've never had a bob before, actually, so I was undecided. But my hair was turning green, y'all. I was like, what? I was starting to think that once I started applying heat to my whole head, it was just going to turn green, and I was no longer going to be a blueberry. So I wanted to test it out on the front of my hair, and yeah, it was most definitely turning green. I'm like, no, I did not want my hair to be green, but it was still cute, y'all. So trial and error, trial and error.
I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like.
I didn't like how the ends were looking and fading into that green, and they also were just skimpy, so I knew I wanted to clean it up at the ends, but I didn't want to do like a full-fledged bob because for one, I don't know how to cut one, and two, y'all saw my scissors. They was dull as hell. So my boyfriend came to the rescue with some house scissors, but I was debating on doing the bob for real, but I don't think that I would have been able to achieve it, especially with these scissors. So yeah, I just, cleaned it up a little at the bottom, and overall it did come out looking really, really cute, given the fact that I didn't know what I was doing, and I also never cut a bob before. So yeah.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end?
So this actually was simple and very easy to achieve, and still giving that maximum effect. Baddie approved. Like, I am so pleased and happy with the results. This is the perfect hairstyle for me. Like, I love it. So pretty. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. That completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment down below with your thoughts. Also, leave me some tips and techniques for watercoloring and also installing the wig. Sis, let me know what you want to see next. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Nothing that day